Experiencing issues with your NVIDIA Shield Remote? This overview will guide you through common problems and their solutions. Common problems include pairing difficulties, battery issues, reset procedures, and IR or CEC malfunctions. We'll cover the latest fixes as of January 2026, ensuring your remote is back up and running quickly. If your remote isn't pairing, the first step is to ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your Shield. Hold the pairing button on the back of the remote for 3 to 5 seconds while the Shield is in pairing mode, accessible through Settings, Remotes, and Accessories. Interference from Wi-Fi 6E routers can be a factor in pairing failures. Firmware mismatches are a common culprit, so update to the latest version to resolve compatibility issues. If problems continue, a remote reset may be required to clear any persistent issues. Short battery life in your NVIDIA Shield Remote can be frustrating. Common causes include old or weak batteries, incorrect polarity when inserting them, or rapid drain due to internal faults. To extend battery life, use fresh alkaline AA batteries and ensure they're inserted with the correct polarity. Positive and negative terminals align properly. The latest Shield remotes feature low-power modes that conserve energy and battery indicators within the Shield app to monitor charge levels. Consider replacing the batteries if the remote becomes unresponsive. If battery drain is unusually rapid, it might be caused by a faulty microcontroller in the remote. Reset procedures can fix unresponsive NVIDIA Shield remotes. Try a soft reset by removing the batteries for 30 seconds. For older models, perform a hard reset using a paperclip to press the reset pin. Remember, resets clear paired devices, so you'll need to repair the remote afterward. According to NVIDIA's guide, these resets fix most unresponsive remotes. If your NVIDIA Shield Remote isn't controlling your TV, ensure HDMI CEC is enabled in your TV settings. Consumer Electronics Control allows devices to communicate via HDMI for seamless control. The Shield also supports IR Blaster mode for universal remote control. Infrared signals allow the Shield to mimic traditional remotes for TVs that don't support CEC. Try the Learn Remote feature in Shield settings to teach the remote your TV's commands. This programming mode lets you map specific buttons to your TV's infrared codes. HDMI CEC handshake failures can cause volume control glitches. These occur when the HDMI connection doesn't properly establish control protocols. Disable and re-enable CEC in TV settings to reset the connection. The NVIDIA Shield app serves as your primary tool for diagnosing remote problems. It provides built-in diagnostics that can pinpoint issues before you resort to hardware solutions. Through the app, you can check for software compatibility problems, verify Bluetooth connection status, and monitor battery levels to ensure everything is functioning properly. By using the app's diagnostic features, you can quickly identify and resolve common issues, saving valuable time during troubleshooting. NVIDIA uses AI to predict and resolve remote issues automatically, making troubleshooting smarter and faster. Future remotes may feature gesture controls for hands-free operation. AR overlays will provide real-time troubleshooting guidance. Rechargeable battery options with USB-C charging for sustainability. The 2025 Shield Pro includes optional rechargeable remotes with USB-C charging. As technology evolves, older models may become obsolete. Keep your Shield and remote firmware updated for optimal performance and bug fixes. Avoid Wi-Fi interference by changing your router channels to prevent Bluetooth pairing issues. Proactive maintenance involves understanding pairing, battery care, and IRCEC basics to prevent common issues. Consider upgrading to newer Shield models for improved reliability, AI features, and better remote performance.